Step into the 2004 Ford F-150 Lariat. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include fourth passenger door, passenger illuminated visor mirror, power steering, power door locks, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel, and trip computer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.